Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, then the time is coming in Republic Day sale in Flipkart when you will get this tablet well under 30,000 price bracket. But if you try to purchase this product right at the start of the sale, you can get more discounts using your credit cards. You will also get discounts on iPad 10th generation. So you have to be alert at the start of the sale and you will get the best discounts at that time for only 2 to 3 hours or less. And if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case the best price will be available in Amazon.in. In Amazon.in you will get discounts with SBI credit card. So keep ready your SBI credit card and buy your favorite tablet. If you want to buy MacBook M1, in that case Amazon will be the best site for better discounts, and if you want to buy MacBook Air M2, in that case Flipkart will be suitable. However, the pricing on Flipkart is showing around 73,000 rupees for MacBook Air M2. I think this is on the higher side. If you get this well under 70,000 rupees, in that case you can buy M2. And if you want to buy any MI tablet, in that case MI Pad 6 will be available under 20,000 rupees, and also tomorrow MI Pad 7 will be launched in India, and I think this tablet will be available under 25,000 rupees. So in that case you have two choices whether you can buy MI Pad 6 or MI Pad 7. Then if you want to buy Poco Pad 5G, in that case the best price will be 18,000 or lesser. And if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro 5G, in that case the best price will be around 20,000 rupees for the 128GB version. And if you want to buy any Oneplus tablet, in that case Oneplus Pad can be bought at a price point of 23,000 rupees, because this is the best price for the 256GB version of OnePlus Pad. And if you want to go for OnePlus Pad 2, in that case the best price will be 33,000 for the base variant and around 36,000 rupees for the 256GB version. So these are some tablets that you can actually buy during Republic Day sale on Amazon.in and also on Flipkart.com. If you are a Prime member, in that case you will get early discounts on Amazon.in, and if you are a Plus or VIP member, in that case you will get earlier discounts or earlier sale in Flipkart.com. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you want to know the price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.